Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your weekly forecast for Bitcoin. What's going on in the next days for Bitcoin? We have today October the 26th, and we have a lot of things to talk about, guys. So today, this is a longer video. It's about 20 minutes. Sorry about this, guys, but there are so much information I must give you here for Bitcoin, and we will check what's going on with the dominance. We will check what's going on with our indicators. We will see the next targets and the cup and handle from yesterday. Is this playing out maybe to 67,000? We will check all this in this video. So guys, I wish you the best of luck. Let's go and have fun. So here we are. First of all, guys, thank you everyone for giving me a comment, a thumbs to the upside. Angry Higgins on YouTube. Thanks, Biti, danke, Biti. Vielen Dank, thank you very much, Angry Higgins, for this. Gabriel, thanks. Bullish Time, Olaf, and some hearts in his eyes. What's in it for you, Bret Hart? Bret Hart asked me about Dodge. I made a really short video about Dodge. Dodge is ready to break out, and I have some nice targets. I will make a Dodge video soon, guys. And Bret Heat, I will show you this video very soon, I promise. Okay, the next one, CJ, thank you, dankeschön. Okay, nice video and so on. So guys, thank you so much for your nice comments, for your thumbs to the upside. I love them. I need them. I will answer every comment, and if you have any tips for me, any wishes for me, please tell it to me. I will make it. So guys, let's move on now. So, and we are starting with this one. This is TradingFees. On the daily, we should buy, strong buy, and the oscillators are telling us, no, you should sell. Okay, a mixed feeling here on the daily. We will check now what's going on the 4 hours, and the 4-hour time frame is telling us buy, and the oscillators are neutral. 2 hours, neutral, oscillators are on sell, and the 1 hour is telling us, oh my god, you should sell, you should throw away your Bitcoin. Okay, guys, we will check this now. This is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is telling us some interesting things. You can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 0.2% on 24 hours, but on 7 days, a plus about 0.3%, not so much. Ethereum is going up a little bit more, 1%, but in the week, 10% in the plus. The dominance is growing for Ethereum, guys. The next thing, the Binance coin, 0.06% in the plus. Cardano, a light plus. Solana is going down a little bit, 0.3%, but in the week, 31.8% in the plus for Solana. XRP is going up a little bit in the week, also a little bit. DOT is going down a little bit. Dogecoin is going down a little bit, but in the week it's going up with 6%. So we will check this. Altcoins maybe on the next video. Now let's check what coin is the biggest winner on 24 hours. Let's check this, guys. So here we are. The biggest winner is Secret, 34% in the plus. Place number 2, Curve Token, 20.8% in the plus. And Near is going up 20%. Phantom is going up really nice, 15.7%. Harmony One is also going up with 14.3%. So in 24 hours, this is really nice, a really nice gain for these altcoins here. So on 7 days, guys, look at this on 7 days, 80% and so on. We will check this soon. A minus, the biggest winner, a minus about 3. The biggest loser, sorry, the biggest loser, a minus about 3.5% is Kusama, Decreed, and EGLD. But guys, look at this. They are going down not so fast. Not really big. 3%. That's not a lot. And these are the biggest losers only, guys. So the most coins are booming for the moment. You can see it. On 7 days, the biggest winner, Secret, 82% in the plus. Curve, 76%. Rune, 75, Nexo, 58, Near, 58. Wow, what a nice gain on 7 days. The biggest loser, and you can see it, it's not so bad, guys. Stacks, 7%, Celsius, 5.9%, Flow, 4%. So the altcoins are going up. The most altcoins are going up. Some are going down, but not so fast. And you can see here is the Bitcoin dominance. What's going on with the Bitcoin dominance? We have for the moment 45% Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum is growing 18.9%. And you can see here on our chart picture for the Bitcoin dominance, this is this picture. Let's zoom out a little bit. I can show you the Bitcoin dominance chart picture on the 4-hour time frame. And you can see it. This is the thing, what I'm thinking about for the dominance. I think the dominance will grow more and more because we see here a W pattern. A W pattern, down, up, down, up. On the bottom, we have a double bottom. And maybe we are ready to break out over this bad resistance zone where we are for the moment. So we need now to break out over this 0.236 Fibonacci line at 47%. And we need to break out over this parallel channel here. So for the moment we are here in this bad zone, and if we break out here we see maybe 60%. This would be the target for this breakout of the W pattern. If we will see 60%, this would be a nice position for Bitcoin. It would be the time for Bitcoin. And for the moment we're going down a little bit. So for the moment it's the time for altcoins. It's better to trade the altcoins for the moment as Bitcoin. It's not the altcoin season, but it is better to trade altcoins. You can see it here. We are here in this little uptrend. We have here the EMA 200 on the 4-hour time frame, and the EMA 200 is this yellow line here. This is maybe the next big support for the moment, what we have to watch about, guys. We have a ribbon band here. We have a red ribbon band. This is also a big resistance now, and you can see we are fighting for the moment with this one here. But guys, I have to make one thing. This parallel channel is not working perfectly here. I have to check it. Give me a second. I will draw it better here. I think it moved or something like this, because we have to move it from here. Let me check it to here, and here to the downside, something like this. And from the upside, we can give it down to this point here. So, okay, this is the parallel channel. This is working now. And you can see if we are zooming in a little bit more, yes, the bad news are we are under this middle line also. So a lot of resistance here, a lot of resistance. We saw a fight with the middle line up to the ribbon band, down from the ribbon band, rejected, and we are going down now. The big question is also, guys, do we make a lower low or a higher low? For the moment, we have a higher low, but if we're going down more and more, we make a lower low. So next thing, guys, I found this for you. This is now really interesting. Let me check. Let me check this one here. Sorry about this, guys. Oh, okay, this one here, guys. This is the next thing I found for you, and these are the candlestick patterns. The candlestick patterns are so important. You saw an upgoing price here on the one-day chart, every candle is 1 day. Then we saw this bearish engulfing. After this bearish engulfing, we saw a price to the downside. And now we made this candle yesterday on the daily. This is the bullish engulfing, and that's a medium reliability that we are going to the upside now, guys. This is nice on the daily time frame. Now we may see, or we may saw the bottom here on the downside, and now with this pattern we move on to the upside. But on the 5-hour time frame, look at this, guys. We had here a downgoing price, and now we have a bearish engulfing, guys. This is not good. On this point we saw a bearish one, then we went down. Here we saw the doji star. A doji is a sign for a trend reversal. After the doji we went up to the upside, and now this is the bad thing. These are the bad news. We have the bearish engulfing here, medium reliability, that we're going down more and more, and you can see the price for the moment is going down from here. So if we watch these patterns, you can see, guys, they are really important. They are working, not 100%, but they are working. And if you're using all these indicators, guys, this one here, trading view, you can see on the 1 hour, yes, we are going down. The pattern here, yes, it's a bearish pattern, we're going down. The bigger time frame, we have a bullish pattern, and on the bigger time frame, yes, we should buy. So you know, guys, why it is so hard to predict down or up now. On the short time frame, down. On the big time frame, up. It's easy to tell you. So, okay, this is the thing about the candlestick pattern. And guys, if you're using all of this stuff, all indicators, the candlestick pattern, trading view, all of this, we can make, or we can draw a picture. We can draw a picture for the future. And this is the thing why I try to make this forecast for you, to show you where is maybe the next thing to the upside and the thing to the downside. So you are prepared for both sides, to make a long position to the upside, or if you would like to make a short position to the downside, guys. So let's move on. Yes, and we are here in bar chart, and you can see here, we have here, every day, guys, every day I make a video of bar chart, of the update, a short video, and you can see our last price for the moment is 62,000. And the important thing now is this one, guys. These are the resistance points to the upside and the support points to the downside. And one of the important things for the moment to watch is this one here. This is the first support point to the downside. It's on 60,000, and this price to the upside is 64,000. That's the next big resistance, 64,300. Yes, we know it. 65, 64 is a really big resistance zone. I will show you soon. And we know it also. 60,000 is a big support zone on the downside. So let's draw this line. Let's draw this line on 60,100, 200. It's not so important. Let's draw this line into our chart, and we have a big support zone. So guys, let me make a line here to the downside, and let me check it here. Here is 60,100, and here we can make a line. So this is a green support line, and that's the first pivot point to the downside. And guys, you can see it. This is really a big support zone. We can see it here. We saw big spikes to the downside. Here a spike, the fight with the support line, the next spike, the fight with the support line here, then the next fight with the support line and the move to the upside. So we can see, okay, that's right. It's really big support on 60,100. It's a really big support zone. It's a first pivot support. It's really easy, guys. It's nothing special here. So we can check 60,100. Okay, this is a big support zone to the downside. And now, guys, watch this. This is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is live on Twitch, on YouTube. And you can see here a lot of stuff you need to know, guys. First of all, on the upper left side, you can see the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is showing us we are, for the moment, over the EMA 200. And I told you guys, if we will break the EMA 200, I will make a long position. I made a long position and I sold on the upside on the sell signal. I sold on the upside because we saw a downgoing parallel channel, guys. Hey, greetings to Toby. Toby is writing here something to me on the live stream. Toby, I will check this soon. Greetings to you. Okay, and I sold here on the upside on the parallel channel on the upper line here on this point. So this 1 hour time frame is really, really important for you. You can see it also on the downside, 1 hour chart, arrow to the upside, and this is our really, really important thing now. Yes, this was the point, guys. I told you this was the buy-in point for me. I bought here with this nice candle to the upside, and we can see we are still on the downside. This is the 1 day chart on a sell signal. It means, guys, we have here still a sell and no buy for the moment. So we are going down on this point for the moment, but I made a long position because I told you EMA 200 to the upside, then the parallel channel, the top, I sold, not perfect the top. I never hit perfectly the top. You can't hit perfectly the top, but I made a nice long position with leverage, really nice. If you will make this, guys, on Bybit, you can follow me, you can make extra money, and on Binance also, I have 2 links out there that you can follow me, a referral link for you. So, okay, guys, we are over the ribbon band. We are fighting now with the ribbon band. This was a nice long position to the upside for the moment. I'm out of the trade. I'm waiting here a little bit what's going on because I will make the next move maybe if we will see the next direction. But for the moment, we are going down a little bit and I'm waiting here a little bit. You can see here on this live stream all information you need, guys. On the left, right down side, you can see what coins are going up, what coins are going down. On the left side, you can see how much is in a long position, how much is in a short position, who is how much is selling or buying on something like this. Everything you need to know is here, guys, on this. But now, let me check. This is the chart picture from now. And you can see a lot of lines here, our support point to the downside, this red line to the upside. And guys, I told you maybe yesterday, maybe we are building now a cup and handle. It was really, really early to tell you this, but guys, we are playing out. This cup and handle pattern is playing out for the moment. Let me show you. Let me show you. We are building a cup, or we built a cup here to the downside. This is this blue arc here. This is our cup, our coffee cup. And then, guys, we saw a price to the upside. I told you this red line is a big resistance. The resistance was about 63,700. This was a reason also to sell here because it is a big, big resistance. After this, we went down here. And you can see we are going down with our parallel channel. We are also on the upside, or we saw the point on the upside perfect here. It was a perfect place to sell. Okay. Now we are building the handle, and that's the nice thing. I told you yesterday, maybe we will build the handle next days. Now we are building the handle. Really nice, Biti. Thank you, thank you. Okay, we built a handle here, and now the big question is, guys, if we can break out to the upside, we have a really nice target. And you can see the really nice target from the downside to the upside, a line. This is this green line. You can see this red line. What is this red line? Yes, I drew this line yesterday because I told you guys, maybe we are breaking up from here. And look at this, it's the same line right now, and you can put this line to the breakout point. Depends always where we will break out. Maybe we will break out here. We have a target about 66,600. Let me tell it, maybe 67,000. This would be the next great target to the upside. It's the last all-time high. It's possible to break out here to this point. Depends always, guys, where we will break out the cup and handle. I can't predict the future, but I can give you the way where we can break out for the moment. And if we will break out, this would be really possible. So we need now a breakout of this handle to the upside, 67,000. And this would be the next nice move. Okay, we have some resistance zones here. Yes, you see these yellow lines, and we have some support zones. The first support zone, if we will break down of this handle, is 61,000. Guys, if we will break down so low, the handle is not working anymore. You can forget it. So 61,000 is the next Fibonacci zone, Fibonacci line at 0.236, 61,200. So if we will break down from here, you can see the fight with the ribbon band for the moment. This is the next thing. We need now, and that's the important thing, we need now to hold this 62,300. This is a Fibonacci line, the 0.382 Fibonacci. If we can hold this line, guys, this would be maybe the next point to buy. Maybe the next point to buy, to break out from here, over this handle, to break out from here in a long position to 67,000. This would be amazing, and that's the big thing I'm watching for also on my live stream. You can see all this stuff also on my live stream, guys. So, okay, let's move on. We have targets to the downside, support zones to the downside. We have the resistance zones to the upside. We have the EMA 200 here on the 1 hour time frame. This is also an important support, 61,700. So if you're going down, this is also really support. And as I told you, this line, remember the 61,200. This is the Fibonacci line, also important. And on the downside, 60,000. The amazing support zone for the moment. Every YouTube professor, every Bitcoin professor is talking about this. Professor. Okay, and this is a really big support zone, guys. 60,000 is a really big support zone. It's not only the pivot point, it's so much support here on the downside. It's a psychological support. So I hope, guys, we can hold this 60,000 support zone. So let's move on. Let me draw it first as a big support zone, as a parallel channel here, because if we will go down here more and more, this is a big thing to watch. So guys, look at this support zone, 60,000. We have to hold it. It's the Fibonacci line here. It's the last low here. It's the first pivot point here. So much lines are here. This is a really great support for the moment. Maybe the next great buy position if we will lose this cup and handle to the downside. So guys, remember 60,000 and remember 67,000 if we will break cup and handle to the upside, guys. So the next thing what we will check is the daily time frame. Let's remove all things and let me show you the Ichimoku indicator. Ichimoku, I told you this on a video for about some days, and you can see that's the important thing for the Ichimoku for the moment, the blue line. We are here on the daily time frame. Every candle is 1 day, and the blue line, this one here, is our big resistance for the moment. Yesterday I told you, yes, we see now a spike over this, but we need a confirmed closing candle over this blue line. We are once again under the blue line. This is bearish, guys. We need confirmed closing candles over the blue line and not under it. Then the blue line is like an EMA, about 9 candles here. I told you this stuff on the video days before. Please watch it if you don't know what's the Ichimoku. And now we are going down again. So this is the blue line is for the moment our big resistance we have to watch on the higher time frames. We need confirmed closing candles over this line. All other lines here are not so important for the moment. For the moment, the big thing is we are under the blue line, under the Ichimoku blue line. That's the 9 length line. You can see the ribbon band. The ribbon band is really nice working here on the downside. This is also nice. So let's move on. So guys, this video is too long for today. 18 minutes. I promised you 20 minutes maximum. So this video is over for now. You have the targets to the upside, 67,000. You have the targets to the downside, 60,000. You have all steps between. If we can break out this cup and handle, you know that's the steps between our for the moment price and the target, 67,000. And also, you know, all support zones to the downside. Guys, this was the update for this week. This is the weekly forecast. Maybe we see 67,000 or maybe we see 60,000. I am more bullish as bearish, so I think we see maybe the breakout of the cup and handle. I will trade this and I will show you this also on my live stream if I am in here in the cup and handle. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Important, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And big thanks to Ryan in real life. He spent 1,000 bits to me. And guys, yesterday I made it. I made 5,000 followers on Twitch. I'm so proud of this 5,000 followers on Twitch. Thank you very much, guys, for supporting me. Thank you. I need your support. Also here, the comments, the thumbs to the upside. Please leave a thumb to the upside. Leave a comment here. This is helping me a lot to make more viewers, to make more subscribers, and to grow our community. Everyone has good ideas, and all together we can make nice millions out there. So guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions with your trade. Thanks for watching. Sorry for this long video, but it is necessary to watch the next steps for this week. Guys, I wish you just the best. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye guys.
System activated.